welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to improve my gaming skill and my English speaking at the same time. Every day I practice for at least 1 hour because consistency is the key of success. I know I want to become perfect overnight, but every small steps makes me better. While playing, I try to speak clear over, stay confident, and enjoy the game. I learn from them and keep moving forward. So, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Have a great day.